Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring an incredible new feature exclusive to iPhone called Audio Mix. If you love using iPhone for creating videos, this feature is going to take your audio quality to next level. Let's dive in. Apple is leveling up the audio experience too. This feature allows you to fine-tune your sound, ensuring your iPhone videos as sound good as they look. Whether you're vlogging, shooting cinematic footage, or just capturing everyday moment, Audio Mix is here to make sure your audio matches your visual quality. So you can see here in the video editing option, you will find Audio Mix option. How you can access to that option? If you have recorded any video in your phone, you can click on edit button and you will see Audio Mix feature at the bottom side, the second option, the bottom options, right? So Audio Mix on the iPhone offer 4 amazing options, each designed for specific recording scenarios. Here is how they work. The standard, so perfect for general recordings. This settings ensures balance and clear audio. Whether you are capturing a family moment or a quick vlog, your iPhone has you covered. So second is in frame. This option is a game changer. It uses the iPhone's advanced audio processing to focus on sound coming from subjects in the frame. Idle for interviews or noisy environments, it helps you iPhone prioritize what matters most. So the third is cinematic. We'll talk about studio later. For the Hollywood-like vibe, this mode gives you audio dynamic depth and richness. Pair it with the iPhone's cinematic video mode for a truly immersive experience. So last is studio. We have this slider, we can increase or we can decrease the intensity of the effect. So want that polished, professional sound? Studio mode makes it seems like you're recording in a professional setup, all from your iPhone. This is perfect for voiceovers, podcast, or sit-down videos. This gives you depthy, denser feel which comes with the expensive microphones. So how you can use it? Open the camera and switch to video mode and start recording. And then after recording, what you can do, open the Photos app, open your video, and just hit on edit button and you can see these audio mix options. So select your preferred option, standard, in frame, cinematic, or studio, and then there you go, you can get the immersive audio experience. So the last section is, I would recommend you, this option will not show you if you're using external microphone like Blue Yeti or any external wireless mic. This option will not work then. So that's everything you need to know about iPhone's new audio mix feature. Which option do you think you'll use the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for all things iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye for now.